supermarket, retailers, even farms. Yung mga farms na merong mga oversupply, near expiry, yung mga damage lang yung packaging. But it doesn't mean it's bad food.
Yes,
But traditionally, what they do, they throw it away.
Correct.
So we're introducing food rescue na maghanap tayo ng mas sustainable management of resources. Na kunin na lang natin to at ang daming Pilipinong nagugutom.
Oo, paano nag-start to? At saan kayo nag-start?
Well, ako, personally, I learned about it when I was in the US. So I was an exchange student sa US. I attended YCLE or...
Blessing pala yung pagiging exchange student mo. Okay, and then?
Of course. And then I met a group, Boulder Food Rescue sa Colorado.
Yes.
Sabi ko,
Boulder, Colorado,
yun nga, yung food rescue, ginagawa nila. Sabi ko, meron palang nagugutom sa Amerika.
Yes.
Lalo na sa Pilipinas siguro. So for me, that was a light bulb moment.
Yes.
Sabi ko, ito na yung pasalubong ko pag-uwi ko ng Pilipinas.
Sa Boulder, Colorado, ang ano mga ina-address nila na mga need ng mga tao roon bukod sa food shortage nila, 'di ba? Yung pagkagutom nila.
So very similar. Kasi ang food waste and hunger, it happens around the world.
Yes.
Actually, 1/3 ng pinoproduce nating pagkain, nasasayang siya for various reasons. At the same time, yun nga, may nagugutom. So, binibridge lang natin yung gap.
Yes, kasi palaki ng palaki ang
Kahit applicable sa
ng mga
Pilipinas.
nagugutom at ano.
Applicable siya.
Applicable siya. Yes.
At nag-start ka, sinong kasama mo?
Mag-isa.
Sabi ko, nararamdaman ko na sasabihin na yun. Mag-isa siya, kasi nakita lang niya.
Naman, hindi naman.
Hindi na.
Okay, and then, sino yung sumunod na naniwala sa'yo for this project?
Of course, yung good friends natin. So I was a student when I started it. I started it with just a bicycle. Sabi ko, kung ginagawa sa Amerika, gagawin ko to sa Philippines. So I was with my bike, meron akong food basket, yung basket ng bike ko. So I was going around sa mga palengke, bakery, and I educated them na merong konsepto na pwedeng i-apply sa Pilipinas.
How was the reaction of these people na
It's
nakausap
mixed.
mo?
So, first answer, so expect no.
Okay.
Ano ba yan? Ba't kami sasali dyan?
Ikaw ba ay handa sa mga ganong reaction because of what you did?
It was a new concept for Filipinos eh. But it's really educating them. Kasi it doesn't make sense growing food, selling food, marketing food, tapos
sinasayang.
lang.
Okay, syempre, ipapasok ko na to kasi baka makalimutan ko to. Di ba ang isa sa dahilan bakit sinasabi ng ilang mga establishments sometimes, no, na kaya hindi nila ibinibigay yung kanilang mga pagkain kasi they're scared na baka pag may nangyari sa kanila o sa mga taong kakain nun, sila yung mabalikan. So, how do you go through with this kind of issue?
Yes. So, very common question yan.
Yes.
Lalo na kasi yung mga, alam mo, yung mga food chain, yung mga hotel din kasi,
Yes,
diba?
may food safety.
Saka, global brand sila, natatakot sila, baka mag-snowball yan. Paano
So,
ina-address?
I learned it through the years na we have to focus on food safety and liability.
Okay.
So, yan yung dapat kong aralin.
Okay.
So, nag-aral din ako, basic food safety handling, and then I also taught my team. Yun nga, liability. Ang liability kasi napapasa siya.
Yeah.
So, you have to also educate the hotel establishments or food establishments na huwag silang matakot kasi inaral namin.
Okay.
And everybody's doing it around the world. So they should be open na bakit pa tayo mahuhuli? Mas maraming nangangailangan dito.
Isa counting trivia lang may dagdag ko lang. Ang isang hotel na maayos, wala namang problema yun. Ano? Kung maayos ka at yung kanilang regulation. Pero kasi nga, ang pagkain, yung mga buffet na na-enjoy natin, di ba? Hindi talaga naubos yun eh. So, ang nangyayari, ini-incinerate nila ito. Ini-incinerate nila properly ito. Pero nga, mabuti nila, meron katulad mo at katulad nyo, alam ko paano ito i-handle, di ba? Kung paano ito marirefer po.
Correct. Actually, meron tayong food recovery hierarchy.
Okay, there you go.
If you can reduce from source, good. Kung hindi, give it to people.
Okay.
After people, animals.
Okay.
Then create a byproduct.
Okay.
Composting.
Okay.
And then tapon.
Galing!
Last part yung tapon.
Pwede siya.
Ang galing-galing mo! Pwede bang pumunta ka sa buong Pilipinas tapos sige, i-educate mo?
Saan ka nag-umpisa muna?
Personally, nagsimula ako sa Dumaguete City.
Okay.
And then when I moved to Metro Manila, parang new challenge, a new city, new environment.
Yes.
But I had to do it.
Yeah.
I felt like it was a purpose.
Yeah.
And now I'm part of a bigger group called Scholars of Sustenance Philippines. And the goal really is buong Pilipinas.
Yeah!
Ilan namang members? Ilan ang mga tao sa
Well, yung
organization?
full-time natin na employees, actually, it's a
Yes.
foundation. It's funded, so
Yeah.
kumikita na kami ngayon. Before, wala eh.
Yes, yes.
12 people.
12.
Half of them are drivers. So before, I was using bikes, tama?
Correct.
Ngayon, we have trucks, refrigerated trucks,
Thank you.
going around Metro Manila, picking up food and
Do
delivering
you also parang accept volunteers, and do
course.
you also parang conduct seminars na parang halimbawa like us, kung interesado kami na aralin din tong ginagawa mo para maipasa din namin halimbawa or maging miyembro kami ng inyong samahan, meron ba kayong ganon?
Of course, we're very open with volunteers, with partnerships. It's very easy now to do it
Yeah.
kasi everybody's into sustainability.
Exactly. And into social media,
Correct.
nare-reach nyo lahat.
Yes. Kasi siguro 5 or 10 years ago, parang, ba't ako sasali
Correct,
dyan?
correct.
But now, people are more aware sa mga pwedeng gawin.
talaga.
no?
Okay. Okay, gusto ko malaman paano nyo naman pinipili ang inyong mga beneficiaries and of course, paano nyo kinukolekta naman yung inyong mga pagkain?
paano nyo pinipili
paano yung
yun?
proseso ninyo?
Actually, ang maganda kasi when you talk about food, everybody's involved.
Correct, kasi lahat tayo
di ba?
kumakain.
Bata, matanda, mahirap, mayaman,
Yes.
sama-sama tayo pag may pagkain. So whenever choosing yung ating beneficiaries, we work with other NGOs,
There you go.
LGUs, foundation, kasi mas kilala nila kung sino yung nangangailangan. So we also work with city jails,
Yeah.
shelters, yung mga women, public schools.
Yes.
Kasi ang dami po talaga.
Totoo.
To approximate lang, gaano karaming pagkain ang nawawaste?
Kayo, yung naano nyo, nakokolekta nyo.
Well, just to give you numbers.
Per day ba to?
Every day. Kasi
Wow,
every day po
sige.
may sobra, every day may
Okay,
nagugutom.
okay.
On average, sa operations pa lang namin, 3,000 kilograms of food.
Eh!
But that's just a small
Small
amount
pa lang yun.
compared to sa ang daming food.
Sa isang lugar pa lang to, sa isang
Metro
area
Manila
pa
pa
lang
lang.
yan. Hindi pa yan talaga super, talagang
Correct.
yung buong Metro Manila nyo, nakukuha nyo.
Metropolis, oo.
Pili
Malaki
pa lang
yung
ito.
wastage.
Pili pa lang
Sobrang
ito.
laki.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Kumusta? Anong reaction ng inyong mga natutulungan tungkol dito sa food rescue?
Of course, when you go around communities, pag inintroduce nyo, okay lang po ba tumanggap kayo ng mga pagkain na na-rescue natin? Automatic. Of course.
Yes.
Yes, kasi kailangan po nila. At yun nga, it's additional food
Yeah.
to whatever they have.
naman,
Pero kami sa food rescue, we don't, of course, ayaw natin na masanay sila.
Correct, tama
Na may
din yun.
pagkain araw.
Na parang nakaganyan lang, na
course.
nagiging yun ang minsan nagiging sakit eh, papunta doon sa umaasa.
Umaasa.
no?
Bibigyan mo ng tinapay, next time maghingi ng hotdog, ng donuts. so you have
Kung
to
ano
educate them.
nahihingi na, correct. Education is
Very
key talaga
important.
sa lahat ng bagay. Galing.
Gano'n na karami natulungan?
Yun nga, 2023, we actually have served 1 million meals. 2023, and our target this year would be double, triple,
Yeah.
which is possible.
Magdo-donate, sino ang pwede mong tawagan para
Saan
or
maaari
mapanawagan
magpunta? Oo.
para mag-donate?
Hi! Sa mga profile, mga Kanet 25. This is Love Anyover po. For more love, Tunipet, and Arafang updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and Net25 Entertainment Facebook. See ya. I love ya.